As the first hints of dawn stretched across the sky, a palpable sense of expectation blankets the early morning air. The day breaks with not just the sun but with the promise of an extraordinary spectacle, a space launch awaited by many. Families, students, and space enthusiasts gather in the viewing area, their faces aglow in the soft morning light, spirits buoyed by anticipation. The ground becomes a patchwork of picnic blankets and folding chairs as spectators settle in, the murmur of excitement vibrating through the crowd. Children clutch miniature rockets, wide-eyed with wonder, and every so often, joyful laughter punctuates the hushed conversations. This is more than a spectacle, it's a celebration of human curiosity and our collective pursuit of knowledge, where every individual is linked not just by the event but by a boundary-crossing quest that bridges diverse cultures and backgrounds. As the morning progresses, the space launch event transforms into a bustling hub of shared excitement. From young students with their gaze fixed on the skies to families sharing exploratory binoculars, the atmosphere is abuzz. Conversations reveal the profound impact of this gathering. A father explains rocket dynamics to his child, while an elderly couple reflects on previous launches. This isn't just about watching a rocket pierce the sky, it's about the connections being formed here, the stories shared, and the community that blooms in this microcosm of humanity. Individuals eagerly share their expectations, discussing the technical marvels of rocket engineering, their voices a testament to a day that's as much about forming bonds as it is about the thrill of the countdown. Behind the scenes, a critical phase unfolds in countdown preparations. In the control center, technicians clad in blue jumpsuits perform the final checks with a blend of precision and speed. These unsung heroes ensure that every system is ready for the pivotal moment ahead. Outside, the crowd holds its breath, the communal heartbeat palpable. Eyes are wide, and whispers of anticipation fill the air as each sequence confirmed by the ground team brings us closer to an achievement of human ingenuity. With systems declared go, the atmosphere thickens with excitement, marking the transition from preparation to the imminent thrill of the final countdown. In these moments, every tick of the countdown clock amplifies the crescendo of anticipation. The crowd, families, students, lifelong enthusiasts, stands united, sharing not only the sight but the profound experience of a collective journey into the unknown. As the final seconds tick away, the atmosphere shifts from murmurs to gasps of excitement. 10-1, each number echoes louder, drawing cheers from the crowd as the rocket tears through the binds of gravity, symbolizing not just scientific achievement but the soaring human spirit. This final hour, poignant and powerful, marks a triumphant climax to a day filled with shared dreams and aspirations. And liftoff. The ground trembles as the rocket ascends, transforming the air into a spectacle of light and sound. Enthusiasm surges among the onlookers, young learners clutch star-sprinkled posters, families capture this historic moment, enthusiasts watch with knowledgeable gazes. This isn't merely a launch, it's a vivid tableau of human emotion and endeavor. For the crowd, the event transcends the physical rocket, they celebrate a shared heritage and a legacy of exploration. As the rocket vanishes into the sky, the echoes of its ascent leave a lasting imprint on each heart, a collective memory of ambition reached and dreams pursued. As the rocket vanishes, piercing the azure canvas above, the crescendo of cheers gives way to a chorus of emotion, joy, relief, wonder. Everyone, from young children to seasoned astronauts, shares in this monumental moment. We reflect on the audacity and beauty of human curiosity, a thread that connects us all, drawn from centuries of stargazing to today's technological marvels. The rocket, though now out of sight, leaves behind not just trails of fire but an ignited passion within everyone who watched. Every person here partakes in this celestial connection, carrying a piece of the journey in their hearts, forever reaching for the stars. As the day concludes and the night begins, reflections on the launch turn introspective. Families, students, and enthusiasts share their emotions and insights, their voices weaving a tapestry of collective experience. This day has been more than a testament to human ingenuity, it's been a profound reminder of our capacity to unite and inspire. The sentiment resonates deeply, leaving no heart untouched. Each launch is a story of endeavor and hope, and today, we all have been part of a narrative that stretches into the stars. As the crowd disperses, the memories of this day will galvanize dreams and perhaps inspire the next chapter of space exploration, underlining our timeless quest to reach beyond familiar horizons.